My coverage of Computex 2019 is sponsored by Techware, providing quality computer and gaming products. Now on to Mistel. They were together with Vortex as they're in the same group, and these guys are known for their split keyboards, with the original Barocco MD600 being quite popular. So that's the split 60% with full-size Cherry MX key switches and a plastic enclosure. The split nature of these keyboards is mainly about ergonomics, so naturally our arms, wrists and hands kind of angle inwards, and they aren't supposed to be so cramped together, and having the split allows you to shape it to how you want, which in turn creates a more comfortable and healthy experience. The MD650L is another one that has been around for a while, and this is a 65% split. So we get the dedicated arrow keys that a lot of people love, including myself, and a few nav keys on the right hand side as well. The case on these are made from aluminium, so the build is a bit nicer than the original MD600. This however uses the Cherry ML key switches, which are low profile switches, and have a small tactile bump kind of like MX Brown's but shallower. It's good that they made some really nice keycaps for this board because there's like no chance of finding another key set to replace this because of the different stems and of course the layout. They're kind of like shorter DSA profile caps and they fit the look perfectly. It would have been nice to get a standard switch version of the split 65%, but they did do that on their new 75% split, the MD770. This is much like the MD600 in how it looks, and it's sporting a similar plastic enclosure. This isn't the final design and it's just a sample, so things are subject to change. So on one of these there were no feet to angle the keyboard, and on the other one there were some feet that weren't flip up like what's on the MD600. The cylindrical feet should provide a more sturdy experience if you're going for the tenting approach. On the little info card thing, it says it comes with double shot PBT keycaps, which are probably backlit as it has RGB backlighting, so I think these are just display caps as it's just DSA pulse. 75% adds the top function row for people who may need that extra primary functionality. It also mentions Bluetooth, so that's pretty cool as well. But yeah, really nice. Hopefully I can get my hands on one of these in the future. Mistel also have their more traditional mechs, so the Sleeker has been out for a while as well, and it's just a solid aluminium TKL with a brushed finish. I haven't really seen this around and about, and I often see the IKBC MF87 instead. The Hacker MD800BT is their full-size Bluetooth keyboard, and this really is just a simple mech with a plastic enclosure, but with Bluetooth. But the keycaps look really nice on these. They're double shot PBT in either black on white or white on black, which are super clean, and if they were in a cherry profile rather than OEM, they'd be worth quite a bit more. Overall, they showed off an impressive lineup that was quite different to what everyone else was showing, and deservedly got some attention. Again, Mistel is part of that Vortex group together with IKBC, so it's interesting to see them continuing to have different brand names, with Mistel primarily taking care of the split keyboard line. The new split 75% is impressive, and it's cool to see them add a larger split to their lineup. These keyboards can be quite pricey and they're only available in Cherry MX key switches. However, they do provide a unique product and have chucked in RGB backlighting and Bluetooth as well. The TKL and full sized were pretty standard, and to be honest seems pretty similar to the IKBC stuff, so that bit of crossover is a bit weird. But yeah, I'm excited to see how they can keep it fresh next year. Maybe we'll even see a split full sized or something. Thanks again to Techware for supporting my coverage of Computex 2019. More stuff to come, so stay tuned.